Today is my 30th wedding anniversary and I needed to make a card for my husband. So I pulled out my Adoring Hearts bundle and you're going to see how awesome this hybrid embossing folder is. Now first I am heat embossing the sentiment here onto this heart, and then look at these cool dies. This die actually goes inside of the embossing folder there, and then when I emboss the paper with it, look what happens. I'll put it through my die cut emboss machine and look at how it embosses and cuts these really cool hearts. So I'm just going to layer up the card. The card itself is a super easy layout design, but those really cool hearts really just make the project a wow project. So I'm going to have links and everything for you on my website and close-up pictures. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and it will be on there for you. I just love this paper. The whole thing was just really fun to make and really not hard actually. This is the Summer Splash ribbon which goes with that paper. And then I'm just going to attach that on the back and then add some Summer Splash gems, which everything just matches so beautifully. I'm popping up the center heart there, which kind of just gives that focal point there in the middle. And then we'll add the gems and we're done. So go ahead and head on over to my website. This is such a cool die. You're going to have to check it out. I will have links and everything on my website. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with more ideas.